All right, good day, everyone. I greet you all, and I welcome you guys to this episode of my P&L for the month. So, I want to show you guys my P&L for the month of November. You know, those of you who have been following me on this channel, you already know that I didn't take much trade this past month. I took just four trade in the month of November, and all four trade was a loss. You know, a very painful one though, but we keep pushing. So let me just take you guys to my journal, then show you guys everything about the last month trade. So let's go straight to the video. I don't want to waste you people's time. So let's just dive into the video. If you look at this place, you will see that this month is month of November, December. So the month below it here is November, and this is my journal. This is where I journal every trade, every single trade I take, everything about my trade is here. So this red color here, those of you who have been following me already know this red color here signified a loss. So if I have any win trade here, you will see green. If I have any break even trade, you will see blue. That is how I set them. So this is just it. You will see the RR I go for 1:3, 1:4. I don't trade any, I don't take any trade that is lower than 1:3 RR. You see, and as for the moment, I'm trading pro firm account. I don't trade any personal account, and on each trade, I risk 1% of my account on every trade. So this is the outcome. This is the outcome. All was a loss, and this is my POI. Where I take my trade from. I have many POI. You can see order block, breaker block. Sometimes I take trade from base. You know, sometimes I take trade from base. I take trade from volume violation. I take trade from violation block. All those things. But this is the main POI that I always trade, order block and breaker block. Sometimes I also take trade on FVG, fair value gaps. So that is just it. So now let's just go through the trade. I took total of four trade. I took one gold trade, Euro USD, GBP JPY, Euro USD. So I take two trade from Euro USD, one from gold, one from GBP JPY. Now let's see the gold trade. Okay, so I took this trade on Wednesday, November 5th, 2025, and I had my confirmation, inducement, breakout structure, order block, and it is a sell trade. Session, New York session, and open time. I took this trade exactly at 3 o'clock, and it ended by 8 a.m. the following day. My POI is order block. The outcome was a loss. RR 1:4, risk 1%. Account type prop firm, and it is the first trade of the month. That is why you see this one here. So this is the trade. You can see this is when I took the trade and the outcome of the trade. You can see took me out, and it was a loss. Now let's go to the second trade. Uh, Euro USD. So Euro USD, I took this trade on Thursday, November 6th, 2025. Same confirmation. I have my inducement, I have my breakout structure, I have my order block, and it was a sell too. Session, New York. I opened this trade exactly at 3 o'clock, and it ended by 7 p.m. that same day in the evening. You know, Same POI, order block, outcome, loss, reward 1:3, risk 1%. You know, account type prop firm. This outcome, I think I should be adding the screenshot of my account, my MT5 or my uh, what is it called? All these platform that all this prop firm is using, apart from uh, MT5. I think I should be adding the outcome result on this image here so that you guys can see the trade, then you will see how much I lost on the account. I think that would be great. So whenever I lose a trade, I'll just take the screenshot, I'll add it here. It should be below here, or be the first image so that you will see the loss, you will see the exact amount I lost on that trade. Though sometimes I lose more than 1% because of spread and swap, you know, but my risk is still within that range. Sometimes they take even more than 1.5% from my account, but I think I should also be adding the image when once I take the trade, the amount you will lose will be there. I will just take the screenshot too so that I can add it before and after. I think I will do that from this month, being December. Yeah. So this is it. This is the trade when it triggered. When I entered the trade, you can see a sell, and this is the trade when it took me out. Now let's go to the third trade, which is GBP JPY. This GBP JPY was a very nice trade, you know, a very nice trade. The trade after the trade stopped me out, took me out, it still reversed to go and hit my TP, you know. So let's take a look at the details. The day I took this trade was on the November 12th, Wednesday, November 12th, 2025. Confirmation still the same thing. Inducement, market structure shift, order block, sell, session, New York. Open time is this is 1:41, 1:41 p.m. So the trade lasted for like a day, you know. I think I should correct this mistake now. Let me just 1:41 p.m. That is the time, the exact time I took the trade, you know, on Wednesday. But then the trade ended on by 12:15 p.m. the following day. Then POI order block outcome loss RR 1:4.5, risking 1%. Now let's take a look at the trade when it triggered. So this is the trade. You can see when the trade triggered, and this is when the trade took me out. You can see that this trade wasted a whole lot of time, a whole lot of time. Gave me 1:2.5, more than 1:2.5 before going back to take me out. So this is it. A very nice trade. After it took out this high, it still reversed to clear this low here. Still reversed to clear this low here. It was a very nice trade, but I think I took the trade early, but because I overheld the trade, you know. So let's go to the last trade, which is Euro USD. Euro USD, I took this trade on Tuesday. Same confirmation, inducement, market structure shift, order block, sell, session, New York, open time 1:30. This one stopped me out. Immediately I took the trade. Just that 1:30 candle, I think it's news. I made a mistake on this trade. There was news, but in my calendar, that news was showing me 2:30. I didn't know that time has shifted, that the 2:30 was actually 1:30 Nigerian time. So the news took me out. Yeah, that 1:30 candle activated me. and took me out. POI order block, outcome loss, RR 1:4, risk 1%. And this is the last trade I took for the month. You guys can see this is the trade, you know, when I set the pending order, and this is when the trade took me out. You can see the candle, this bullish candle that activated me and still took me out. So that is it for last month's trade. This month has been my smallest trade. It has been the month that I took my smallest trade since I started this my trading journey. I haven't taken as small as 4 trade in a month, and guess what? I feel happy about it, even though the 4 trades were losses, but I feel happy about it. Just imagine these 4 trades were wins. So I'm still on the journey. I'm still refining my system, refining my strategy and everything. You know. So right now I'm just learning more about trading range. That is the journey I'm on now. You know. So I might not really be trading this month of December. I might, but if I see a good setup, I might definitely take it. But I'm no longer that consistent on the chart looking for trade. I'm focused on this trading range uh, learning for now. You know. And if you guys are wondering who I'm learning this thing from, I'm learning it from Art the Trader. You know, I saw one of her video and she explained the trading range very well. So I had to go through her to understand more about trading range. So as I'm going, if I'm able to see a good setup, I'm definitely going to take it. But I'm not that consistent again on the chart looking for trade. We'll come back full from next month being January. I think second week or third, first or I mean from second week of January, I will be fully active. But whatever happen, I will always be updating you guys on my weekly video. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so that once I post a video, you will be the first to get the notification. You know, join me on this journey. We are just getting started. We are just getting started, you know, and I believe we are going to do a lot on this YouTube channel. So this is the total result from the month of July till the month of November. You know, this is where I started this uh everything. You know, if you come to my final results, everything from the month of July to the month of November, I've lost 3%, 3 RR minus 3 RR, and I've taken total of 59 trades. You can see total of 59 trades. You know, it was 55 before plus this last month, November, the month of November for trade, that is 59 trade. Any trade I take this month of December, I'm going to plus it to this 49 and it will give me the results. You know. So the month of July, I had a break-even month. The month of August, I have plus 11%. You know, the month of September, I had minus 3%. My 11% was remaining 8%, and the month of October, I lost 7%, remaining 1%, and the month of November, I had minus 4%, and I'm now minus 3%. So for the month from July to November, I lost just 3%, which means this from July to November has been a losing month. You know. But it's okay. It's okay. You know, we keep going. keep pushing. As long as we have the track record, we'll get there. We'll get there. So I appreciate you guys for tuning into this episode. I think this will be the episode 3 of the PNL. PNL for the, I think this will be the episode 3 of my PNL for the month. Yeah, this is the episode 3. I will catch you guys in the next one. Please, if it's your first time coming across this my YouTube channel, please do well to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys again.